Boy, it's you do bird seed at all in the
Yeah,
Rollo?
we do bird seed through the Roller-Mixers too. I make 2 different kind of bird seeds. And what I do is I flush the whole system with scratch feed before I make the bird seed. And I get bird seed in totes, oil sunflower seed, millet, and milo. And I have separate bins for them, and it is absolutely clean as can be. And we use a fair amount of soybean oil, and I put even a cherry flavoring on it. And it is amazing, just beautiful bird seed.
The Rollo-Mixer makes bird seed as well as any machine possible.
Yeah, absolutely. The first
question.
bag, nice thing about a Continental Roller-Mixer is the first bag and the last bag, you can't tell them apart.
Beautiful.
That's how
That's
good
right.
they are.
That's the hallmark.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks, Jay.
Yes.
It's so cool. We have birdseed, just strictly birdseed customers, and we've been told by them that the Rollo-Mixer is the best birdseed mixer in the world. That's what he told us. And he makes a lot of different birdseed products. So that's great. You can mix that up and do that as well.
Yes.